everyone, welcome to channel Knowledge of. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with discussing about in the detail, which is your SBI PO, which we had started in the last classes as well. This is your class 30, which is we'll discuss State Bank of India PO exam, and that is the data analysis and the interpretation which we are dealing here. So in the same way, in same topic, for SBI PO, we had done your 75 questions in the last classes. Today we'll start discussing about the 76th question of the session, which is of course been important one. So before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So let's get started for the same. And before starting with the same, huge request, please go ahead with like, share and subscribe. It's a huge request, so please go ahead. It will be helpful for us as well to implement all the questions and find out the important thing that is necessary for you all. So let's go for it. The question 76 here. There is a table that you have to carefully to answer the question that follows. You have to study that table. On the same behalf of it, here the profit in rupees 1000 that made by the 6 different shopkeepers over the months here. So according to that, the data has been given and you have to answer. So first I will just draw the table, then after that we will be answering it out. So here is your 76th question, but before that we have a table. So profit in rupees 1000 made by 6 different shopkeeper over the months. So the table is as follows. Here month. The shopkeeper we have P, Q, R, S, T, Q, October 2009, the months we have. November 2009, December 2009, January 2010. February 2010. March 2010. So here we go for the data here that has been given. So for the shopkeeper P, October 2009, it is 5.25. For November 2009, for the shopkeeper P, 6.04. I just write it on one by one. 5.25 for Q, it is 4.84. For R, it is 4.99. For S, it is 5.06, 5.28, and 5.94. For November, it is 6.04 as I told you, and here it is 4.28, 4.28, 5.82, 5.11, 4.96, and 6.23. Now coming forward to December here, 2009, 5.84, 4.97, 5.48, 5.28, 5.31, and 5.87. For January 2010, 6.10, 4.88, 5.45, 5.38, 5.69, and 6.07, 5.95, 5.04, 5.68, 5.44, 4.93, 6.19. March is 6.02, 5.12, 5.36, 5.59, 5.72, 6.23. So this is the given data. Now we implement the question that has been asked in terms of it. So the first question, and that is the 76th question of the session. Which shopkeeper's profit kept increasing continuously over the given month? That is the question. Options are R, Q, T, U, none of these. Let's go for it. Which shopkeeper profit kept increasing continuously? Over the given months? Options are R, Q, T, U, none of these. Let's go for it, figure it out. And that we have as follows. So for that here, that is, it's clear from the table that the profit of S increasing continuously. If you can see this, 5.06, 5.11, 28, 38, 44, 59 और सब में देखोगे तो increase and decrease हो रहा है, but for S it is increasing continuously here, so that the answer will be fifth, that is none of these. So I just write it down here, the reason as well, because so that when you go through with the solution you will get the answer as well to clear about it, क्योंकि इस टाइम तो समझ में आ गया होगा, but when you revise it, when you are solving again and again, it will strike table that profit of S increasing continuously. Now we go for the another question, that is, what was the average profit earned by shopkeeper R in the month of October 2009 and November 2009 together? Options are rupees 5,405, rupees 5,040, so and rupees 4,825, rupees 4,950, none of these. So you have to answer it out. Let's go for it. 77th question of the session. So what was the average profit earned by shopkeeper R in the month of October 2009 and November 2009 together? So options are, first is rupees 5,405, second is rupees 5,040, third is rupees 4,825, fourth is rupees 4,950, and the fifth is none of these. So we go for it, and so here we go. Here required average, $4.99 plus 5.82 upon 2 into 1000. You get 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 0. Here we get 5,405 rupees. So that is the answer. We have 5405 as your first one will be the right answer. Now we go for another one, which is the another important question, and the question is, what is the percent increase in profit of shopkeeper S in the month of December 2009 over the previous month? Round off to the 2-digit after decimal. The options are 3.15, 2.67, 2.18, 3.33, none of these. So here we go for it, and that is your the question is 78 question of the session. What is the percent increase in profit of shopkeeper S in the month of December 2009 over the previous month? So you have to round off the 2-digit after the decimal. Let's go for it. 3.15, 2.87, 2.18, fourth is 3.33, fifth is none of these. So let's go for it, which is the very important one, and that what we will have to discuss here. So here we go for it. 78th question, required percentage, we'll figure it out. That is 5.28 minus 5.11 upon 5.11 into 100, 3.33. We'll get the answer 3.33, which is the fourth will be the right answer here. Now we go for the next one, which is also the important one. Although the question is 79th question of the session, what is the respective ratio between the profit earned by shopkeeper U in the month of February 2010 and March 2009 together to earned by a shopkeeper Q in the same month? The options are 637 ratio 512, 621 ratio 508, 512 ratio 637, 508 ratio 621, and none of these. So let's go for it. What is the respective ratio between the profit earned by shopkeeper U in the months February 2010 and March 2009? together to that on by shopkeeper Q. In the same month. Options are 637 ratio 512, 621 ratio 508, 512 ratio 637. Fourth is 508 ratio 621. Fifth is none of these. So let's go for it. Required ratio equals to 619 plus 6.23 upon 5.04 plus 5.12 equals to 12.42 upon 10.16 equals to 621 upon 508. 621 ratio 508. 621 ratio 508. That is option 2 will be the right answer for this question here. Now we go for another question, and that is the 80th question of the session. The question is, what is the difference in profit earned by shopkeeper T in January 2010 from the previous month? Options are 640, 420, 380, 760, none of these. Let's go for it. What is the difference in profit earned by shopkeeper T in January 2010 from the previous month? Options are rupees 640, rupees 420, rupees 380, rupees 760, rupees none of these. So we go for it. Required difference equals to 5.69 minus 5.31 into 1000 equals to rupees 380, and that is your third option will be the right answer. Now we go for another question, that is the another important one which we'll discuss in the next coming class, and that is also the informative questions as well, which is your 81st question we'll discuss here in the 31st class. So here we're going to end up with thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe.